Looking like a quarter lick. Run up on me, you get hit. And know my bitches with the shit. Bronx, New York. Looking like a quarter lick. Since they wanna bend that bitch. Since they wanna bend that bitch. Got some hitters in my clip. Looking like a.
Hey guys, it's Mykia and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please don't run. Today, I just washed my hair for a special review. So I just purchased this blow dryer from Amazon, and it is the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer System. It is like a blow dryer, but it's a brush. And I know most times when I see things like this, I'm like, that ain't gonna work on natural hair. That ain't gonna work on African American hair. That just ain't gonna work. And that's just how I don't know, that's just what my mind is programmed to think when I see these like one-step styler systems, because I'm just like, that's not going to work on kinky hair. But I came across a review on YouTube and I saw this girl using it. I had this hair dryer and I was like, oh my gosh, if this thing really works on natural hair, this will be a lifesaver for me. This is the box that it came in, and inside the box here is the hair dryer. And this is what it looks like. And then it also came with some instructions, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm just gonna plug this thing up and let's get this review going. Before I start blow drying, I'm going to put a few products. I have my Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Spray Conditioner. I like this and it smells amazing. And I also have some jojoba oil to moisturize my hair. I have a few clips and a wide tooth comb. I'm going to section my hair off into 4 sections, spray some leave-in conditioner and oil it. So now that I have combed and oiled each section, it's time to blow dry. It's 3 settings on this blow dryer: cool, low, and high. And there's oil all over the blow dryer already because of my hands from my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on high because I got some thick hair. And let's see. Let's start out with cool. That was pretty good. Wow. Wow. I mean, it didn't get too close to my roots, which I don't like. Like, they're dry, but they aren't like really, like, you see how this is like kind of straighter. So since I guess it's a brush, it didn't like get my roots how I would want my roots to be, like, you know, blown out. But it did get my hair dry. Alright, let me do this section in the back. And let's see. My hair is definitely dry. Wow. I'm looking greasy as hell. What the world? I went jojoba oil crazy. Wow, I really like this. It's definitely dry. Again, for the back section, I mean, my roots aren't as straight as I would like them, but my hair is dry and it's like a lot less tension on your arms. You know, like when you got the regular blow dryer, you like, eh. But yeah, that's pretty easy. Let's do the rest. Okay, we are done. So this is the final product. It definitely isn't as straight as it would be if I use my other blow dryer. But my hair is dry, so I can't really complain. Heat is only coming out the top and not the bottom. Like, this is just like a brush, and this is where the actual air is flowing out of the brush. So that's one thing I don't like. If it was heat coming out the whole thing, I think it would probably, you know, give you a smoother look. But other than that, I think this is a great tool. My hair is dry completely, and it's kind of like combed through and brushed out. Not really too hard for me to like finger comb it. So yeah, definitely recommend you guys to try this product. I definitely will be giving this another 2 or 3 tries before I decide if it's a yay or a nay. And if you're interested in an update, comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And comment and let me know if you like an update on how I like this in like a month or 2. Until next time, guys. Peace.